A failed blower capacitor stops the air handler from circulating air, so restore function quickly by replacing the cap with an identically rated unit and verifying connections. Start by turning power off at the service disconnect and the thermostat to prevent motor damage and shock. Note the capacitor microfarad rating and voltage printed on the housing and buy an identical replacement. Never substitute a different microfarad value and never connect a lower voltage part. Discharge the old capacitor safely by shorting the terminals with an insulated tool while still using protective gloves and eye protection. Then take a clear photo of the wiring before removing leads so you can reattach exactly. Mount the new capacitor in the same orientation. Attach wires to their original terminals using the photo as your guide. And make sure terminal screws are snug without over-tightening. Restore power and run the system through a normal cycle, listen for smooth blower start and steady operation, and measure current draw with a clamp meter if available to confirm it matches manufacturer specifications. If the blower still hesitates, check the motor start relay and capacitor run circuit for additional faults before replacing the motor. Common mistakes include buying a capacitor with the wrong microfarad or voltage value, which can cause poor motor performance or further failure, so always match the ratings exactly and confirm by reading the printed label. Another issue is reattaching wires to the wrong terminals after removal, which can cause reverse rotation or no start, so photograph and label leads before disconnection and double-check placement during reassembly. A third problem is failing to discharge the old capacitor, which risks a dangerous shock, so always short the terminals with an insulated tool while wearing protective gloves and eye protection. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where we share practical tips and experiences about emergency fixes like capacitor replacement. We help contractors find work by letting them present their services and join conversations that build local trust.